Have you ever looked at your bank statement and wondered why there's an extra charge you didn't expect? It's probably the dreaded foreign transaction fee. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most common banking questions: what is the foreign transaction fee for Tide? Imagine planning your dream vacation to Bali, only to find that your bank is taking a chunk out of your hard-earned savings. It's a bummer, right? But don't worry, we've got you covered. Understanding foreign transaction fees. Before we get into Tide specifically, let's break down what foreign transaction fees are. Essentially, it's a fee that your bank charges you when you use your card to make purchases or withdraw cash in a foreign currency. This fee can vary widely depending on the bank, the country you're in, and the type of transaction you're making. Tide's foreign transaction fee. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter: Tide's foreign transaction fee. While Tide is known for its competitive pricing and features, it's important to understand how it handles foreign transactions. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect. Percentage-based fee. Tide typically charges a percentage of the transaction amount as the foreign transaction fee, *. Fixed fee. In some cases, there might be a fixed fee on top of the percentage-based fee, *. Currency conversion. Tide will convert the foreign currency to your base currency, and there might be a markup on the exchange rate, *. Factors affecting Tide's foreign transaction fee. While Tide's general foreign transaction fee structure is relatively straightforward, there are a few factors that can influence the exact amount you'll pay. Transaction type. Different transaction types, such as purchases, withdrawals, or transfers, might have varying fees, *. Country. The country where you're making the transaction can also affect the fee, as some countries have higher fees than others, *. Transaction amount. The amount you're spending or withdrawing can impact the fee, especially if there's a fixed component, *. Comparing Tide to other banks. To give you a better understanding of Tide's foreign transaction fees, let's compare them to some other popular banks. While we can't provide exact figures for all banks due to frequent changes, we can give you a general idea of how Tide stacks up. Here are some things to consider. Traditional banks. Many traditional banks have higher foreign transaction fees, especially if you're using a credit card, *. Digital banks. Some digital banks offer more competitive foreign transaction fees, but it's important to check their specific terms and conditions, *. Travel cards. Travel cards are designed for international travel and often have lower or no foreign transaction fees, *. Tips for minimizing foreign transaction fees. If you're planning to travel and want to minimize foreign transaction fees, here are some tips. Use a travel card. As mentioned earlier, travel cards can be a great option for reducing or eliminating foreign transaction fees, *. Notify your bank. Before you travel, inform your bank about your travel plans to prevent your card from being blocked, *. Use ATMs wisely. When withdrawing cash, try to use ATMs affiliated with your bank to avoid additional fees, *. Check exchange rates. Be aware of the exchange rates and avoid currency exchanges at airports or tourist attractions, *. So, what's the bottom line? While Tide's foreign transaction fees might not be the lowest in the market, they're generally competitive compared to many traditional banks. If you're planning to travel and want to save on foreign transaction fees, it's worth considering factors like your travel style, the countries you'll be visiting, and the specific features you need from a bank account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.